Welcome to TTI. Welcome to a whole new world of floating structures. Those are houses, bridges, or artificial islands that are constructed on the lakes, rivers, and even in the middle of oceans. These are the 10 most amazing floating structures that actually exist.
Number 10.
Floating Island. This is a floating artificial island built in Mexico by British artist Richard Rishi Sova, located in the Isla Mujeres near Cancun. Its upper part is made up of wood, and lower floating base is made up of plastic bottles. It has a diameter of 25 meters and floats on top of 150,000 plastic bottles tied with the nets. The island has 3 beaches, a beautiful house, and some trees. Aside from solar panels and internet connection, this is the 3rd island the artist has built after hurricanes destroyed the 2 previous ones.
Number 9.
Floating Bar. It's a floating platform that is located in the middle of the ocean near coral reefs. It has various restaurants and has 2 levels equipped with loungers and beds. It has room for 100 people, and they can organize activities like private parties. It also offers aquatic sports like scuba diving or motorbike trips.
Number 8.
Floating Pool. It is located in the middle of a river of Bade Schiff in Berlin and was opened in 2004. It was built on top of a barge and is 32 meters long and 2 meters deep. Next to the pool, there's an area with beach sand and a bar where concerts are arranged. In winter, the area with sand is exchanged for a sauna, and everything is closed with covers.
Number 7.
Puente Bridge. It's located in Seattle and Washington and is the longest floating bridge in the world. It is 2,400 meters long and costs so much to construct it. To float, it uses concrete pontoons that have submerged 6 meters underwater and protrude 2 meters over the surface. The bridge is held by 58 anchors of more than 100 tons and can withstand winds of more than 140 kilometers an hour.
Number 6.
Escenario Stage. It's located in the Constanza Lake in Austria, and it is one of the biggest floating stages in the world. And every year, local people celebrate a festival where concerts are held, as well as theatrical plays, to which thousands of spectators assist the stage and can be customized for different performances as well. In addition, this floating stage is shown in a scene from the James Bond movie Quantum of Solace.
Number 5.
Skate Ramp. It was built by a professional Brazilian skater along with a few designers to use it in the middle of the Tahoe Lake. It required 300 hours of work and more than 1,000 screws to build it, and plastic barrels were placed beneath the platform to keep it floating. It was later towed for 4 hours until they reached the lake, and they used anchors to keep it from moving.
Number 4.
Floating Walkway. It was inaugurated in January 2017 at the city Guizhou in China. It is more than 5 kilometers long and has the world record of the most extensive floating walkway in the world and covers an area of more than 50,000 square meters. It floats on more than 200,000 plastic blocks set with anchors. Different shows are organized during the day and night, and it takes 10 hours to walk from one end to the other.
Number 3.
Floating Hotel. This beautiful Amazon jungle palace built on the Black River is the most abundant branch of the Amazon River. It's comprised of a group of floating structures and is located in a natural environment. It has 70 apartments with views towards the river, a pool, and all types of equipment and services. The hotel also offers different activities like boat tours, in which you can swim with dolphins.
Number 2.
Floating Cultural Center. It is floating in the Han River in South Korea and is comprised of 3 buildings and interconnected, placed on artificial islands. It occupies 20,000 square feet in total, and in each building, different cultural, recreational, and sports activities are organized. In its construction, they used materials like steel or glass, and it has solar panels and illumination systems. The structures are supported on anchored floating systems and has been designed to withstand different ambiential factors.
Number 1.
Casa Seahorse. More than 100 luxury floating houses are being built that will be completed in 2018 and will cost around $2 million. They'll be located on an artificial archipelago called Europe's Heart, which is a group of 6 islands connected by bridges. The houses have the latest technology, and its bottom is submerged so that you can see the beauty of underwater marine life. Thanks for watching! Which floating structure did you find the most impressive? Let me know in the comments below. If you're new here, then feel free to subscribe to us. And don't miss our upcoming videos by pressing the bell icon. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace!